What's going on, y'all? We doing extra thick pork chops today. And guess what? We gonna go ahead and rain on them with a little salt, a little cayenne, a little rosemary, and of course that garlic and that onion powder. After we get that seasoned up, we gonna get into our sous vide bag that we fold over so we can get a good seal. That way you don't get no trash on where you gonna get that seal at. And then we gonna add in 2 tablespoons of pork fat. Give it that seal, make sure they spread it apart right, and then get it into that sous vide machine. Because you don't want them touching when they're in that sous vide machine. Once they come out, we're going to pat them dry. Once we get them dry, we're going to hit them with that torch just to create that beautiful crust. And then guess what? It's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. Now look at that pork chop. Don't it look tasty? It was so good, y'all, and juicy and thick. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all, see ya.